record on this one, okay? All right, number 21. But drawing, usually AMC 10 doesn't give us drawing. Okay, we have to draw ourselves. Okay, so that's why, okay, sometimes it looks so hard, very hard to understand what the question is. If they gave the drawing, any figure, much better, but usually they don't give a right drawing. That's the problem. Okay, so take a look here. First one, AB is 5, AC is 3, and the BC is 5. So AB is 5, AC, this is A, AB is 5, this is AB, this is 5. Oh, let me see, okay. AC is 3, BC, this is Sylvia, right? C is 5. This is a right triangle, right? Okay, one of triangle is a right triangle already. So we have the other one. Okay, I'm going to use, this is better. I'm going to make this one. Because we need the right three-dimensional title. Okay, this is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is A. This is C. This is B. Okay? Because we need to write another one point. Okay? That's why. Okay, the next one is BD. Where D? BD. The other point is BD over here, right? Maybe D is over here. BD. BD is 4. AD is 3. Now you can make the line. So we have around 4 triangles there, right? Triangle ACD, triangle BCD, right? The front, opposite side is triangle ABD, right? And the bottom is what? ACB. Okay, we have 4 triangles out here. Each length is given already, right? 3, 4, 3, 4. Actually, what is this? This is also a right angle, right? This is also right angle. But the length of this one, CD, is given by, what is it? 12 over 5 rad. This is right point. How looks like a 12 over 5 rad? What is this? What is this? This is a little bit because of a matter of practice. If you know this one, this 3, 4, this is 5. What is the height? Can you find the height? 3 times 4 equals what? 5 times h. It's okay because the area of this triangle, 3 times 4 divided by 2. The other way, this is the basic height. 5 times h divided by 2, same area, right? 2, 3 down, what is that? 3 times 4 equals already 5 times h. 3 times this one equals this one times this one. That's it. That's the formula. You know that. If we have a 3, 4, this is 3 times 4 and divided by 5 is what? 12 over 5. Can you see that we are 12 over 5, 12 over 5? Okay, this is a little matter of what practice. Okay, because what? If maybe someone who is strong in math, 12 over 5, yeah, they know that. This is the height. 3, 4, 5, 12 over 5, you know that. Okay. But when you face this one the first time, that's why a little bit weird. Okay, but some students, when they have already this rule, they know that this is 12 over 5 is what is it? When you make perpendicular, this is 12 over 5. Okay, that is 12. They know that. Okay, believe or not. Another from this vertex, this is right angle. Another one is also what? 12 over 5, isn't it? This also what? 12 over 5, we know that. This is D, this is F. This is F. Looks like this way. This triangle. This is 12 over 5, 12 over 5. This is a 12 over 5. Red 2 means what? This is the right triangle, isn't it? This is the point. If we don't know this one, it's very hard to find the answer. Is it okay? That's perpendicular to the what? Base. This is a plane. Base. Actually, this is what? Perpendicular, right? Kind of what? Triangular cone. And now we got the base and the height. This is the height. What is the area of this base? 3 times 4 divided by 2, or 5 times 12 over 5 divided by 2, same thing. 3 times 4 divided by 2 divided by 12 over 2 is about base area is 6. Okay? That's the area of base. Where is the height? This is the height. This is the height. So base times height. This is what? Triangle, cone, right? Kind of a pyramid. Pyramid, actually, the base is what? Square, right? This is kind of a pyramid, triangular pyramid, right? The volume is what? Times 1/3, isn't it? Any base times 1 point, always this is a kind of a cone, right? Always what? 1/3. So times 1/3. That's the volume of this tetrahedron, okay? How about this one? This is 1, this is 4. 24 over 5. Okay? So choice C is the answer. Any questions? The point over here, using this one, we might guess something. Because we know that 12 over, where did this come from? This is coming from what? 12 over 5, 12 over 5. Okay? When you have a right triangle, this was a 12 over 5. Okay, very similar, very what is the familiar numbers, 3, 4, 5. That is okay? Now we got the way you understand, okay? When you have this type of question later, you can see 12 over 5 is what? When you have 3, 4, 5, that's the height, okay? You understand that. Yes? Any questions on this question? Any questions on this number? What is it? 21. Are you guys with me? Claire?
Yes.
Are you with me? It's okay?
Yep. Yeah, I'm here.
What about Hemos? Hemos, now you understand? Okay, yeah. Kevin?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, good, okay. So that's why, okay, sometimes AMC 10, right, over number 20, some questions are very weird because it looks weird because that is what kind of what first time questions, right? That's why it looks weird. But once you got right, you have a lot of practice or something like this one, okay, the later you know that, okay, how we start, how we handle this type of questions, okay? All right. Okay, that is tetrahedron, okay? Okay, now the next one, okay, I'm gonna try this one first, 25, okay? Just give me 1 minute, okay? 2 point probability. Okay, this is very popular MC 12 questions actually. But now this is what? Oh my God, this is 2015. Very interesting. When you have a technology, distance, probability, okay? Probability of distance. When you have the number 0 and 1, you choose 2 points. This one is which letter is one? A. X only is X. The other point is Y. The length Y here 0 and 1. Okay, now we're gonna find what probability, okay? To choose what 2 points, but they are distance. X minus Y always less than or equals to 1. But sometimes equal, some other time not equal. It's the same thing because what? When you have the one line, the probability of this point is 0, okay? So it include, it doesn't matter, okay? I'm going to use include, it doesn't, okay? I'm going to use include this one. Okay, what is the probability when you choose 2 points? If we choose what from here, distance is 1, not working. If we choose what from here and a little right, smaller this one, maybe this is less than, no, 1 is already 1 over here. 1/2, I'm going to use 1/2, okay? Or 1/4, 1/2, 1/2 is okay. This is, where is it? 1/2, over here, the 1/2 too, right? Yeah. So less than 1/2. How we solve this one? So many points are there between 0 and 1. How many points are there? Infinite many, right? Infinite many. So how we solve this one? Because what 2 variables on the one line is very important. You can separate these 2 variables in 2 different lines. What is that? One is horizontal, the other one is x, right? On the same line, if you choose 2 points, right? It's very hard to handle that. So that's why we separate this one. Okay, I want to take x is over here. X is 0 and 1, right? X can move from 0 to 1, that's fine. From 0 to 1, I want to use the 1. X move up here. Now Y move around, also 1 to 0 to 1, right? Y move on to 1. But they have to satisfy this one. X minus Y, the distance between these 2 points should be less than or equal or less than 1/2. The point over there, you can use, right, the equation. X minus Y equals what? Y minus X, okay? Always A minus, okay. X minus Y equals what? Y minus X. It doesn't matter, okay? Same. I'm going to use the X minus Y. Y minus X better because we have to express Y, okay? So Y minus X less than 1/2. This is what is the solution. Y minus X is what? Less than 1/2, greater than negative 1/2, isn't it? That's the solution, right? You understand this one? Between negative 1/2 and positive 1/2 inside the number, right? Negative 1/4, okay? Positive 1/4, negative 1/4, they are always absolute value is less than 1/2, isn't it? So the point should be between these 2 points. Okay, plus X both sides. Plus X both sides. Y equals how much? X plus 1/2 plus X minus 1/2. So X is what? First one, X is greater than X minus 1/2. And also, and Y is what? Not X, okay? Y is less than X plus 1/2. That's inequality, right? What is the graph of this Y equals X minus 1/2? X minus is Y-intercept is 1/2 down here. This is 1 over 2. This is 1, 1. This is 1/2 over here, right? Negative 1. That's a negative 1/2. Slope is 1, isn't it? 1x. Now let's make a graph. The graph looks like this way. Okay. That's right. This is y equals x minus 1 half. But gradient means what? Over the graph, right? Over the graph. So any numbers over this graph is working, but satisfy the other one too. Not everything, right? The other one too. Y should be less than y equals x plus 1 half. What is the graph of y equals x plus 1 half? Y-intercept is 1 half, slope is 1, the graph will pass over here. Less than, down over here. So any point between these two lines, you can choose any point that work. That's it, right? Okay. So what is the probability to choose out of so many infinite point over here? We just use what the area, isn't it? Okay. Maybe you can use an easier way. Separate. Each area, same area, right? Total area triangle how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over 8. That's the probability, okay? All right. If you choose the point x and y on this right, maybe you can choose 1 half, 1 half. That's fine. 1 half minus 1 half is 0, less than 1 half. You cannot choose this point. When x is 1, y is 1 fourth. 1 minus 1 fourth is what? 3 fourths. Not working. 3 fourths is greater than 1 half. Not working. Is it okay? So when you have like two variables on the same line, always you can separate this way. But at this time, x minus y is what? Less than half. This is a linear, right? That is a linear equation. This is very important, okay? Okay, now we have some practice. Now try this one, questions. The number 0 and 1, okay? X equals what is that? 0 and 1. Y change to 0 and 1, 2. Okay, so x minus y, their difference is what? Greater than at this time 1 fourth. Okay, greater than 1 fourth. So when you choose the point x and y, okay, in this range, okay. So what is the probability? Their difference, their distance between the point is what? Greater than 1 fourth. Okay. So what is the probability? So can you try this one? Okay, have some practice. Find out probability. Okay, when you choose 2 points. The point is between 0 and 1, the infinite many point, right? Infinite. We cannot count this. So we have to use what is that? Geometric probability, isn't it? That's the point, right? Out of what? This is numerous point. How can you point over here? How can you choose 2 points? It's impossible. That's why when you have these equations, always use what? Geometric probability. Geometric is what is that? Using the area, using the line, okay? Length of a line, okay? Just compare, right? That is, we said, geometric probability, okay? Okay, find out the probability to satisfy the what? The distance is greater than 1 fourth. Okay. If you find, okay, the answer, you let me know, right? Okay, go ahead. Probability, the distance greater than 1 fourth. To express y, you better change this or get y minus x, okay? That's the easy way. Same thing. So once you find the answer, you give it to me, okay? We go over one more time. What is the solution for this one? Y minus is what? Less than negative 1 pulse, or y minus x greater than 1 pulse. Satisfy both, okay? Or, okay. Greater than is what? Or less than is what? And. This one. Okay, it must give me the answer 7 over 16. Take a look here. I already give the answer here. Okay, greater than 1 pulse is less than negative 1 pulse, greater than positive 1 pulse. That's the solution, isn't it? What is this one? Y is what? Less than x minus 1 pulse. This one is y is what? Greater than x plus 1 pulse, right? Okay, now let's make x and y. This is x, this is y, okay? So we choose what? Still 0 and 1, okay? What is the graph of this one? 1 pulse is over here. Let me divide by 1 pulse, everything. 1 pulse over here. Slope is positive. The graph is, how looks the graph? From here to here, right? That's y equals x minus 1 pulse. Where is the point? Less than, down over here, less than this point. It's okay? The other one. Y is greater than x plus 4. X plus 4 over here. Okay? So where is it? Has over here, right? This is the y equals x plus 1 pulse. So it is 1. Greater than is what? This side. So what is the probability? You can use what the area. You can use this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you can use the unit too. 4 times 4 is what? 16 units. That's the area. This unit has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? 3 times 3 divided by 2 is about 4.5. The other unit is also a 4.5, isn't it? That is what? 9 over 16 is the probability, okay? Is it okay? Okay, second one, distance probability. When you have already over here, we can choose what x is what on this one. We choose what from here 0 to 1 over here to this line. It's already a different line. Why we choose point on this line? Different line, right? Okay, up to 1. Now we're gonna find out probability, right? To choose their distance x minus y or y minus x should be less than this. Just give me 1 minute, okay? I'm going to use these questions over here. I showed it. At least 1 over 2. Okay, this is at least 1 over 2. At least over 2 is greater than or equals to 1 over 2. Okay, I'm going to use these questions. We're going to save time. Yeah, the distance should be greater than 1 over 2, isn't it? But this is already not the same line. Just before we choose 2 points on the same line that we separate. This is already a different line. One is a horizontal line, the other one is a vertical line. Okay? If we choose this point x, this point y, what is distance? This is distance. This is distance. What is distance? Distance equals what is that? X squared plus y squared, isn't it? Just before y minus different, right? That was same line, but this is a different line. One is horizontal, the other one is vertical. That's totally different. So distance can be obtained 2 dimensions, right? Just before 1 dimension, this 2 dimensions, you know that. Okay? You have to use the Pythagorean theorem, isn't it? X squared plus y squared, that is distance. But this distance should be greater than or equals to 1/2. So where is the point to satisfy whose distance is greater than 1/2? Where is the point? Where is the point? We have to check it out. Solve this one. Make a square how much? X squared plus y squared is greater than or equals 1/4, isn't it? Actually, what is this? What is this? Circle, right? Circle. Center is over here. Radius is what? This is r squared, radius is 1/2, right? That's a circle, 1/2 circle. Choose this one. Greater than, we have to choose this side. Greater, isn't it? Right? Less than is inside. If we have right less than 1/2, right? X squared plus y squared, right? Less than r squared is what? Inside. Okay, greater than is what? Outside. It's okay? This is x squared plus y squared is greater than r squared. Okay, totally different. Right, this question is at least 1/2, right? At least 1/2 is a greater, right? So if we choose what point in this right shaded region, that is working. Okay? Okay. So what is the probability over here? Can you find the probability? Okay, use right the area, right? This is geometric anyway. The area, total area is 1. What is the area of this one? Pi r squared, right? Pi over 4. That is a circle. 1/4 over here times 1/4. Pi over 16, right? But we take off this one. So 1 minus pi over 16. That's the probability over here. Okay? That's the probability. This probability is 1. That's the second one. Just before, I'm gonna, this one, not this one. This one is same as the questions, right? Oh, this is at least, that's lower that. So I'm gonna use at least, okay? That's the question number 25, okay? At the same point, number 25, I'm gonna use different way. We don't have to write, okay. At these times, y minus x should be greater than or equal to 1/2, right? The solution is what is that? Y minus x is less than or equals to 1/2. Y minus x is greater than equals to 1/2, isn't it? When you solve this one, y is less than x minus 1/2. Y is what? Greater than x plus 1/2. Okay, less than half or greater than only this one. Okay, we have a solution already. Fine. We can use solution. This is the area solution. just before that is 8 over 6, this is what 2 over 8, right? So this probability is what 2 over 8 equals 1/4. Okay? This one is what? 9 over 16. No, this is not the question. This is a question, right? So actually 16 over 16 minus 5, right? Yeah, that's the probability, second one. Are you guys with me? Okay, now back to work. Over here. S is just square. This is just square, length is 1. A, B, C, D. 2 points chosen independently, okay, at random on the side of S. The probability, the straight line distance between the point is by at least what? 1/2. Greater than or equal to 1/2, right? They already give right probability, right? Some format over here. The probability looks like this way: A minus B pi over C. ABC is a relative prime. So from here, we get the answer what is A plus B plus C, okay? That's the answer. Okay. The probability is what? When you choose 2 points, the distance greater than or equals 1/2. Okay, when you choose this point, this point, this point, this point, this already by each one is 1/4 already, isn't it? The probability by that is 1/4. Now I'm choosing this one. That's 1/4. That's fine. Okay? If we have point to 1/4. 1 point is this one. The other point over here, yeah, that is 1/4. If the other point over here, that is also 1/4. Understand? If we choose a point on this line, then the 1/4, we have a 4 line over here, right? Each one has 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. It's okay? So the first one is when you choose the point on this line, we did already, okay? We need by case work. We cannot choose what the point at the same time here, here, okay, here, here. That's impossible. We have to use case work. You pointed on this line, or one point over here, the other point over here, and one point over the other point over here. That's it. We need like 3 different case work. Is okay? So what is the probability, right, to choose right on the same line? We already got over here, okay? We already got over here. 1/4, isn't it? 1/4 over here, right? This area, right? 2 over 8, 1/4. So another 1/4 times 1/4. That's the probability 1, okay? When you choose over here, that's the P1 on the same line. That is 1 over 16. Now we choose what is that? 1 point over here, the other point over here, right? Okay? We already this one. Over here, we already got over here. 16 pi minus pi over 16, that's the probability. So we need to find the 1/4 over here, right? 1/4 times 16 minus pi over 16. Well, we have what? Choose another point over here, same line, okay? So times 2 again. So what is it? 1 over 2, 16 minus pi over 16. That's my second probability. Here and here. Now, if you choose 1 point over here, the other side of this is already greater than 1/2. You can choose any point. That is the same thing. Right? You can choose any point. That's what? 1/4. That's it. So when you add these 3 probabilities, that's the answer, okay? Okay, let me check. Add this one. P1 is what? 1 over 16 plus P2 is what? 16 pi minus 32 and plus P3 is 1/4. Okay, now add this one. A bit deeper, I don't know. 30 over this is 2, 16 minus pi This times 8 times 8, 8. This is 18 plus 8 is what? 26 minus pi over 32, right? That's the total probability. So A is 26 plus B is minus B, right? 1 is B, and plus C is 32. Total is how much? 27, 59, right? Yeah, 59 is the answer. Okay, just let me check this. Okay, let's give 1 minute, okay? Oh, this, 25, oh. 20, 25. Oh, A is correct. Okay, yeah, that's fine. This is case word, okay? But you have to get used to this one. This is a very popular one, AMC12 questions, not the AMC10. Okay? But you have to figure out, okay, when you choose what some point in the infinite many solutions, you have to use what? Geometric probability, okay? Okay. Okay, the next one, let me listen. Okay, try this one, number 24. After that, number 22, okay? All right, number 24 first. Because number 24 is harder than before, right? Harder than to that, number 22, number 24. Okay. In case, okay? If we don't finish this one, number 22 is we can do later, 24 first. We have some positive integer p, there's a quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a positive integer side, quadrilateral here, right? Right angles B and C. Right angles B and C, okay. B and C, right angle. All right, AB is 2. Okay, this is AB. AB is 2. That's fine. And CD equal AD. CD equal AD. Or you can use this one too, right? Oh, this is too small. Okay, okay. Down over here. This is no good. A little bit small. D over here. Oh, it doesn't matter. This is nothing. Okay, you can choose here and here. It doesn't matter. Okay, it's gonna be same solutions. That's fine. So I'm gonna choose this one. This is too small, right? Doesn't matter. Okay, that's fine. Now perimeter is less than 2015. We have to solve this one. Wow, what is this? How many different values of P are possible, okay? Or integer side, but less than perimeter 2015. Maybe you can use the 3 and maybe this is 4, another 4. That's fine. This is one of the case. That's fine. How many of this one? Right? How many of this one? But the point of it, take a look. To arrange the number, it should be what? If this is 3, 4 minus 2 is what? 2. It should, this is not working. You cannot use what? 4 and 4, right? Because what? When you use the Pythagorean theorem, 2 squared plus 3 squared is how much? square root 11 is that is not 4, right? This is not working. That means well, now you can recognize, oh, the number this 4 should be satisfied what? Pythagorean theorem, okay? Right, that is not working. So anyway, what is this number? This number also a variable, right? You can use like a That's fine. This is B. So this is B. Is it okay? All right, there are just some constraint, right, between A and B. It should be what satisfied what? Pythagorean theorem, okay? All right, what is the perimeter anyway? Perimeter is what is it? A plus B over plus B over 2B, right? A plus 2B plus 2, that's perimeter. It should be less than 2015. We have to check this way. Yes? But A and B is by integer. We know that the problem is we cannot factor this one. We cannot express in product form. That's the problem. If we express a product form, even we have a two variable, this is fine. We can solve it this way because that's a special equation. But this is not special, not special. You know why? We cannot find a product form. That's the problem. So we cannot use the two variable over here, right? So we have to reduce the number of variable using what Pythagorean theorem over here, right? So between A and B, there's some relation over here. This is not y2. This is what B minus 2, right? Okay, this is right angle. So A squared plus B minus 2 squared should be equal to B squared, right? Using this one, we have to reduce one variable because what? From here, we never find what product form. Are you guys with me? Kevin?
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. So after class, okay, you have to try by yourself one more time, okay?
Okay.
Right. And also I'm recording this video. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, because what sometimes AOPA's solution is very hard. Sometimes we don't know, right? Just to try to figure out step by step, okay? When you step by step, it doesn't pass the sum. Very slow, I know. AMC is not easy, very slow. But once at some point, very fast. Don't give up to this point. Okay, everybody start by not going to this fast. No way. This is my experience. Okay, step by step. Don't give up and until you find what some turning point. Okay, there is a turning point. Kind of a in the goal, the qualifying test. Okay, you can qualify, pass the qualifying test. Same thing. Okay, but during the work, you have to find the reason, okay, why we need this one. Okay, just before we cannot make a factor with this one. That's why we have to reduce variable. Okay, so from here, right there, a squared plus, when you expand this one, b squared minus 4b plus 4 equals b squared, right? B is out. Over here, a squared plus 4 is what? 4b, isn't it? Can you see that? B equals what? A squared plus 1. A squared over 4 plus 1. Okay? That's it. A is integer. B also integer. Okay? But you have to keep this one before you substitute. Okay? Keep this in your mind. Okay? That's the scale, okay? All right, now put this number of b inside of P. What is the period? No, not period. What is the period? Perimeter, right? A plus 2 times over this one, a squared over 2, isn't it? 2 times over this one is a squared over 2, right? And plus 2 again, right? Plus 2, and we have another one. So total is how much? A squared over 2 plus t is less than, we're gonna solve this one, right? 2,000 people. Oh, we have to solve this, okay. So times 2 over there, okay? Because we need factor. So times 2 over here, right there, 2a plus a squared plus, this is 8 times 2 is what? 430, right? Okay? No, we need to factor. Wow, this is a record. Okay, I'm gonna give a different way, okay? Because when you have like big number to factor this one, okay? Sometimes it can be factored, sometimes not, okay? When you have a big number, we have to use what this shortcut way, okay? This is what a squared plus 2a is less than 4,022, right? You can factor this one now. If you can factor a squared plus 2a minus 4,022 less than 0. Wow, can you factor this one? It's possible, sometimes it's not. Okay, not always factored. That's why when you're big number, you have to try this way because what? This number is very small, right? So A is common. That's product form, isn't it? Now this is a product form. Because what? This number is what? Their difference is by 2. Okay? For what value of A, the product is what? Less than this number. 60 times 60. Or you can use it. 60 times 62. 3,780. Oh, increase. 62 times 64. 3968. Increase more. 63, 65. 63, 65. 315, 378, 4,095. This is more than this one. No good. This is not working. The value of age was 62, right? The value of age is 62. That's it. So what is the value of a positive number? Okay, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, up to you can use what 62. That's all possible value of a. 62 numbers. We forgot something right there. So over here. B should be what is that? A squared over 4 plus 1, right? Okay. Let me check that, okay, in case. 24 is B. Not 62, right? Yeah. Okay, so we have to check with this one, okay? So B equals how much? B equals how much over here? We need to check this one. A squared over 4 plus 1, right? A squared over 4 plus 1. B should be integer. This is integer. That's fine. Positive integer 1 to 62, 62 number. But we know that this is not the answer, right? B also should be what integer, isn't it? So how can I check this one? A squared over 4 is what? A over 2 squared plus 1, isn't it? If this is integer, now the half. That's fine. Right? A over 2 is integer, integer square plus 1 is integer, right? So A should be what? Even number, isn't it? A should be what? Even number. So odd number are working. Odd number is not working. We take only even number. That's why 62 number divided by 2, there are what? 31 odd even number, okay? So 31 is the answer, okay? This is correct. Are you guys with me? Okay, anyway, okay, I'm gonna put this video right on YouTube, okay? So you can, I'm gonna send out the link. Just try by yourself, okay? You can take a look at these solutions, not LPS. LPS is a little bit hard one, okay? What is the next one? Where is it? Number 22. Okay, number 20, round table, a little bit hard, okay, I understand. 8 people sitting around the circular table, right? We have 8 people, circular table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we have 8 people. Wow, this one. Okay. Each guys hold a pair coin. All 8 people place what their coin, and those who place what head, now they stand up, while those place with what tail remain sitting. Okay. If you got the head, that will stand up. Tail is what just sitting in chair. What is the probability no two adjacent people will stand? You said this will stand okay, or we have a stand okay. If we have a stand up here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's fine. But the problem is, how many people are there? How many people will stand up? This is also a need like casework. Okay, this is also need casework. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me see the answer key. Okay, in case answer key we have how much? What number is this? 20, 22. 22 is the age of correct answer. Okay. Now how we got to like 27 or 256? So how many people stand up? So they're all tail, no head. What happened? Nobody stand up. That included here. Very weird. Okay, anyway, we check, okay. All tail, no stand up. I don't know what that including. We can check this. Okay, they are tail, right? They are tail is what? No head, 0 head. What is the probability? They're all sitting down, right? One apple, one apple, one apple, one apple, one apple, one apple, right? They're all sitting down. So no head. All the other one is what? Head. That's the probability, okay? That's case 1. Now second one is one head. What is the, this is no problem, okay? One head. What is the protected? This guy's head. Stand up. What is the probability? One head is what? One head. All the other with tail is one half, isn't it? All the other 7 times the tail, right? Only one is head, 7 is what tail. Then we say binomial probability, okay? But the premier binomial means what? This one can be head, one head, or this is one head. This is all one head, one head, one head, one head. There are what? 8 possible cases. So times 8, isn't it? So actually one head is what? One head, the correct number is what is that? One head binary probability, okay? 8 combination 1. We choose what? 1 out of 8. Sometimes we use what? 8 combination 1, right? That's the same symbol. This is 8, right? 8 combination 1 is 8, but this is just simply what? Times 8. That's probability. Now the next one, 2 head. 2 people stand up, 2 head. How many different ways 2 head? These 2, or these 2, or these 2, right? But that neighborhood, right? That's no good. So 2 head means what is that? Not adjacent, okay? So we have right. 1, forget this, we don't need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we choose 2 head, oh, this is fine, right? Okay. Or this head is okay. This head is okay, right? So how can you find the number of what? 2 non-adjacent. So you can use this way. When you choose one out of 8, you can choose 2, right? Any 2 is okay. It doesn't matter that you're adjacent or non-adjacent. To find one number of non-adjacent is what? Find out all total number of what? Choice 2, right? What is the 8 combination 2, isn't it? Out of 8 points, we choose 2. That is 8 combination 2, 8 combination 2. But we choose what? Adjacent 2 head. Take one. These 2 head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All this 8 combination is what? They are sitting what? Next to each other, right? So we take up 8. That's the numbers, okay? 8 combination 2 is how much? 8 times 7 divided by 2 is what? 28. And minus that, that's 20 different case of it, right? That's 20 different case. The probability is how much? 20, 1 over 2. 2 is the head, all the other one is what? Tail. That's it. It's okay? 2 head. Now the next is a 3 head. So we choose 3. It doesn't matter that it's adjacent or not adjacent. Every way we choose 3 head out of 8. Okay, how many different ways? 8 combination 3, isn't it? All the numbers, why choose why any 3. But out of this 3, this is how much anyway? 8 times, 7 times 6, and divided by 3 factorial, right? 56 case, right? 50 combination. But out of 6 combination, we have to take out what? Adjacent head. Okay? Case 1 is what? 2 adjacent head. 2 head adjacent. Case 2 is what? All 3 head adjacent. Okay, we take up this one that is non-adjacent, right? How can you find 2 adjacent? I'm going to do this one more time. 2 adjacent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 adjacent. This one, 2 adjacent only. The other one is okay. So where is the possible case? The other one is it can be here, 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 here. Isn't it? If we choose these 2, right? 4. Each case is about 4 times. Well, how many 2 over here? 8, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 8. Same thing. There are what? 32 combination is only 2 head adjacent. We need to take off these 2, right? We need to take off these 2. 56 minus 30, 32 is how much? Okay. 56 minus 32, we have what? 24, right? We have 24. But we need to take off all 3 heads right in a row, right? Adjacent. So I'm going to use some number here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first one you can use 1, 2, 3, straight. They are all together adjacent. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. The next is what? 8, 1, 2. Keep going. 1, 2, 3. Same thing. That's it. How many cases? 8 different combinations, isn't it? All 3 heads were adjacent. So we're going to take off this 8 right from 24. Total number is 16, isn't it? Okay, now what is the probability? 16 times, each one is about 1/2 is about 3 is a head, All the other 5 is what? Tail, right? That's the probability. This is what? Probability over here. P1. This is P2. This is P3, 2 head. And this is P4, right? Now, 4 head. How many different ways? 4 head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 head what? You can choose this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 head is okay. Only one case. The other one is what? You can use this one too. Okay? 2 case only. Right? Only 2 case working. Okay? I'm going to use this different color. This one, this one, this one, this one. Right? Only 2 case. So 2 times. Head is 4. The other 4 is what? Tail. That's it. That is the last one. So we can add more, right? Take a look here. When you multiply this, always this is what? 1. Always what? 1 over 2 to the 8, right? 1 over 2 to the 8 because it's the same number. 1 over 2 to the 8. This is also what? 1 over 2 to the 8, right? Okay, same number. So what is it? This is 1 plus, you can add this. 1 plus 8 plus 20. How much? 1 plus 8 plus 20. But in this case, what? 3 head is 16. 4 head is 2, right? You can add more. How much is this one? 9, 29, 35, 37. Oops. Oh my God, 10 difference. No. 29, 16 is what? 40, 45, right? Yeah, 47. Okay, 47. Oh, they're including, right? 0 head also, okay? They include 0 head also. Oh, this is a little bit weird. Okay, so 47, right? So 47 times what is that? 1 over 2 to the what? 8th power, isn't it? That's the answer, okay? So 2 to the 8 is how much? 256. That's true, right? 2 to the 9 is what? 512. 2 to 10 is what? 1024, right? So probability of this in case is what? 47 over 256. Yeah, that is correct. Okay. This one is a little hard, right? Because what this is very first time for you guys, okay, sitting around what table. That is okay. So when you have the line over here, when you have a line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 guys sitting in the chair. This is chair 1, chair 2, chair 3, chair 4. This is not round, okay? Not a round table. This is what? Straight line. This is what? Over here. How many different ways two guys sitting in there but not adjacent? How many different ways? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count this way, right? Or directly, this guy. 6, 7, right? You can count this way. It's okay, but it takes time. So maybe you can use this one. The easier way is what is that? We choose what 2 out of what 7, okay? So what is that? 7 combination 2, isn't it? Right? So just the head of people is different, okay? Maybe you can think already a permutation. Just the head. We have 2 head over here, head, but they are not adjacent to each other, right? So there is no permutation, okay? Just the right combination, isn't it? So how many 2 different ways? 7 combination 2 is what is that? 7 times 6 divided by 2 is what? 21 different case. But this all 21 is what? Adjacent continue, right? So we have to adjacent. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? We take up 6. Is it okay? So this one, 15, right? So the shortcut, when you have a chair over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chairs. Just the one chair is out. One chair out. One chair is out. Now find out why 2 out of what? 6 point, okay? 2 out of 6 point. 6 times 5 divided by 2 factorial, right? 50, same number, isn't it? This is the same number. This is the same situation, same symmetry. Because what? When you choose 2, looks like addition, put this number in the between over here. Right? They're separate. Isn't it? This is another skill. But this skills not working in round trip, around the table, on the circle. That's the problem. Maybe we can take a look, we can a little go over this one next time, okay? For the number 9 and what the difference of round trip. Okay, the counting on the number, I'm gonna write down, okay? Counting on the number 9. Or straight commutation. And counting on the circle. We're gonna try this, okay? Next time. Okay, today so we're gonna try a very hard one, okay? This is very hard one, better harder than before by 2019 and 2018 AMC questions, I think. All right, so after class, okay? After class, I want you to try, okay, by yourself one more times, okay? I'm gonna put this video on somewhere else, and I send out the link, okay? All right, and also we have still time, almost done, okay? We cannot do the next one, that's fine. We did all this one, right? Let me see. Number 4, we did it. Oh, we did all that, right? From number 1, this is 2015. That's fine. Okay, now let's finish today. Okay, so what we need there, we don't need the new test today. Okay, so after class, I want you to try by yourself one more time. Okay, all right. Thank you. Any questions?
Yes. Will you put this recording on YouTube?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you can. I'm send out the link for your to your email. Okay.
Okay.
You
Thank
can
you.
click. You can click. You can see all the way your class video. Okay.
Okay. Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Okay. Today is a
Thank you.
little
Hard.
yeah, hard, right? I understand. But when you get used to this one a lot, it looks easy. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'll show next time. Okay.
Thank
Bye,
Thank you.
everybody. Bye,
Thank you.
everybody. Okay.